Today we will learn how to make animation easily in Character Animator. Hello friends. Today we will talk about Character Animator. This is such a software where both pro level as well as beginners can easily make animated videos. Here you have to select the starter from the starter and pro written above. So there are many characters already available here, you can use any of them. In Import Puppet you will get your file to use in the animation. In Open Project you will find your old created files. Now choose any animation character and you will see two options here. In the first you will get to record both your face and voice. And in the next one you have to use already recorded voice, after inputting in it. This is the orientation, and this you can choose the size of the video. And then these are the backgrounds. You can use any of these. Here also given the option of custom background. So now I will import my audio file in it. If you want to record your face then you can do it. Here go to the setting option and change the camera settings. If you don't want to do it then click on skip to editing. Before doing the animation, let's listen to the audio. Hello, Mr. D'Souza. Oh no, your wife ran away there. The reaction emojis that you are seeing here are the trigger panel of that character. Each character has been given different emotions. Now you have to drag and drop the reaction from the triggers panel here. You can also make the reaction time more or less. Hello, Mr. D'Souza. Oh no, your wife ran away there. It doesn't look perfect yet. You can also change the position of the character. Hello, Mr. D'Souza. Oh no, your wife ran away there. Hello, Mr. D'Souza. Oh no, your wife ran away there. Now it looks perfect. Now export it by clicking on the icon shown above. That's all for today, see you in the next video. If you like this video then subscribe to the channel. You can also watch shorts to know more tips and tricks.